Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad that you are here today. Like, comment, subscribe. Yay! I'm doing a get ready with me today, and we are going to be featuring, I'm digging for it, the Viseart Perite Pro 3, which is a gorgeous palette. I've opened it from this end before, and I got it from BoxyCharm pop-up, and I thought it would be great to do a get ready with me and show you just how beautiful this palette can be on my face, this face here. And I'm going to start with some Tatcha liquid silk primer. Let's see how fast I can get through this. Oh, and there we hear a ruby. It's a good day when we hear a ruby. Ruby's a good girl. She's a good girl. She's a good little kitten. Ruby. She's in here. She's playing with a ratty old mouse, as kittens like to do. So anyway, how are you guys? I'm doing better. Been having some lung stuff happen, but it is improving, thank goodness. I'm very grateful for that. Because lung stuff is the worst, and with this COVID crap, you know, it's so easy for me to end up in the hospital because I have a history of lung crap. And this is the Pure 4-in-1 Selfie Foundation. No, look at my face. Oh my goodness. I've got 3 cats in here. They're all squirreling about. Anyway, so I just get my little sponge damp. I don't totally soak my sponges, and it doesn't seem to matter much. Some people get their sponges crazy wet. I always hate to miss the forehead spots. All right, so there we go. Now we're going to take a big fluffy brush and into the Beauty Bakery flour in translucent. Really get me powdered. And I'm really enjoying this. I'm a big fan of the Becca Hydro Mist, but I've decided to try something different for a change. I'm going to use the Stay Spray from Tarte. To set my face, and that smells amazing. I got it from Ipsy Glam Bag Plus last year, I think, or earlier last year. It had to be last year. So we're done with the base bag. Next up is bronzing for the gods, and we're going to use one of my very favorite California in a Box from Catrice. And you can get this on sale a lot at Ulta. It was one of my first bronzing boxes or palettes that I've ever used. And it is great. It is $14.99 regular price. And I love it. Get under my chin with the bronzing. Now I need to blend out my forehead a little, so I'm going to get a different brush to do that. And it looks makes me look like I've got a little sun. Sun, 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 here it comes. So what blush shall I use today? I'm going to use my Hourglass, and this is the Diffused Heat, and we got this in BoxyCharm a while back. And it adds a really beautiful glow. Very lovely. I love the Hourglass stuff. So now we're ready for the eyes. The eyes have it. So this is a beautiful 8-shade palette. This is my 5th Viseart palette, and I really just love Viseart stuff so much. And let's see what kind of look we can make with this bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it's on your eyes? Just kidding. I'm going to start in the crease with this pink color. It's very pale pink. You can hear Ruby in the background being sweet and chasing a little tiny rattly mouse. If I showed you what that mouse looks like, you'd be like, why don't you take that away from her? But it's been a favorite of the cats for a long time, so it's just well loved. Meow, 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 meow. My name's Ruby. I say meow. That's my Ruby song for today. And that went on very, very pale pink. It's very pretty. And I'm wearing this beautiful kind of washed out color shirt. So let's see if we can't get some colors popping. And we've got some greens and purples and some tans. Some brown. Let's see. I'm going to go in the outer corner with this purple color. There's a little kick up in the pan. I'm going to do a purple and green look, I'm pretty sure. This is just a beautiful soft purple. And this really goes with the kind of washed out feeling of this shirt. Get some more of that. I'm just kind of building it up. Very pretty. Kittens in here, scratching up stuff. Ruby! Oh, she's got that little ratty mouse. I knew she still had it. I'm going to take this pale green and put it on the lid. Really into greens and purples lately. That shimmer is fantastic. Super pretty. Let's get a blending brush. This is blending out great. Super soft. I'm gonna get like a little fluffy brush here. I'm gonna go into this shimmery lavender to go under the brow. It's very pretty. I think I'm going to, so no pale. I think I'm going to go into this brown a little bit with this fluffy brush. See if I can't deepen that corner up a little. What's up, Ruby? You guys get tired of me talking to the cats off camera? That's a good question, because I do that a lot. This is not built up evenly. My eyes are always so different. It makes me crazy. Who's that lady? Crazy lady. I think that's pretty. Let me do my brow. And I'll do my liner. I think I'm going to have to go a little darker for my brow, and I really don't want to. I feel like the black and the blonde kind of calls for a darker brow. But I don't want to go black. Definitely need the liner. And I'm going to go for a brown liner. Because we're going for a soft look today. Super pretty soft look. And I'm going to do some Kush mascara from Milk. Let me get that angled. Just a beautiful soft look all the way around with the mascara, the liner, the shadow. I got a little mascara on the other eye. That's what Q-tips are for. Let me get a Q-tip. Super pretty. And now for a beautiful lip color, something soft but beautiful, much like myself, soft and beautiful. I'm going to use this green lippy, and it is in the color Wifey. That's a beautiful color. And it goes perfect with this look. Ta-da! So, thanks to Viseart Perite Pro 3, we've got a gorgeous look here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.